Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Sudhakar Excellence. Exercise 4.1, 8th class Exponents and Powers chapter. Exercise 4.1, 9th bit. If m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 2, find the value of first one 9n square minus 10n cube. ఇక్కడ 9m square 9 into ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం లేదు అంటే అది మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఉందని అర్థం. సో m వాల్యూ మనకి 3, m ప్లేస్గా 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. m3 స్క్వేర్, here square is there, so square minus 10 into n cube, n value 2, so substitute here 2 cube. 9 into 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 minus 10 into 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 9 into 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3 means 9 minus 10 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube means 8, 9 into 9, 81 minus 10 into 8, 80. 81 minus 80, 1. 1 is the answer. Next, second question. 2 into m square, n square. 2 into m square, m value 3. Substitute here 3 square. n value 2. 2 square. 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 9, 18. 18 into 4, 18 4s are 72. This is the answer. Next, third question. 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square into n. Here 2 into m cube, m value 3. 3 cube plus 3 into n square, n value 2. 2 square minus 5 into n square, n means 3 square into n means 2. 2 into 3 cube, 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 plus 3 into 2 square, 2 into 2. 5 into 3 square means 3 into 3 into 2. 2 into 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Plus 3 into 2 into 2, 4. Minus 5 into 3 into 3, 9. Into 2. 2 into 27. 2 into 27 means 2 7 are 14, 1 54 plus 3 4s are 12, 3 into 4 12 minus 9 into 2 18, 18 into 5 90. Sorry, 18 into 5 90. 54 plus 12 minus 90. 54 plus 12, 66 minus 90. That is equals to 90 minus 66. 90 minus 66, 24 minus 24. ఇక్కడ పెద్దదానికి ముందు సింబల్ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి సో మైనస్ 24 అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ m power n minus m power m. m value 3 whole power n value 2 minus n value 2 3 square, 3 into 3, 9 minus 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 9 minus 8,